nutrition goals. Jumpstart is a 7-day weight management program that provides wholesome nutrition along with digestive and metabolism support while you take time to reflect on your current habits and set goals for healthier eating habits. There we go. So let's take a look inside the box. There are 21 single-serve meal replacement shakes. These shakes provide balanced macronutrients, meaning the protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats in ratios that represent what you should be getting in a meal. The single-serve pouches are convenient for taking these shakes with you wherever life takes you. You can choose either Nutrimil Active or Nutrimil Free Active. And the main difference between the two is that Nutrimil Active contains whey protein and Nutrimil Free Active contains plant protein. Both provide complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 of the essential amino acids that your body cannot make and must obtain in your diet. So let's take a little closer look at each. Nutrimil Active was designed to be low glycemic. What this means is that it maintains steady blood sugar levels, which helps you maintain steady energy levels. It's also gluten-free, and each serving contains 240 calories. Nutrimil Active, again, contains 20 grams of whey protein and 9 grams of fats. Now, of the 9 grams of fats, 2 are saturated fat and 7 grams are mono and polyunsaturated fats. And the American Heart Association recommends that women get 25 grams of fiber and men get 30 grams of fiber each day. And the vanilla Nutrimil Active contains 8 grams of fiber, and the chocolate contains 9 grams of fiber, and that's due to a rounding situation. So you can see that Nutrimil Active will easily help you achieve that goal. And there's less sugar in Nutrimil Active than there is in our classic Nutrimil. There's 10 grams of sugar, of which 8 grams are added sugars. And then the shakes also contain a vitamin and mineral premix. Not a complete optimal ratio of vitamins and minerals that you should be getting in every meal, but some to help out. Now, Nutrimil Free Active has all the same features. It's low glycemic, it's gluten-free, and in addition, it was designed to be free from the top allergens that we commonly find in our diets: gluten, soy, dairy, and eggs. And it has the same calories, 240, as Nutrimil Active. And the difference, as I said before, is the protein source. So Nutrimil Free Active contains 20 grams of plant-based protein. We derive that from chickpea and brown rice and pea protein. It has the same ratio of fats, fiber, sugar, and the vitamin and mineral premix as Nutrimil Active has. Now, where Nutrimil provides the macronutrients that your body needs, the Health Pack sachets contain the micronutrients that your body needs. Health Pack contains the optimal amounts of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients to support our body's many systems and provide nourishment at the cellular level. There are 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. packets in Jumpstart, and each one of them contains 2 tablets of the Cell Essentials Vita Antioxidant, 2 tablets of the Cell Essentials Core Minerals, a tablet of the MagnaCal D, and 1 tablet of Cell Essentials Booster. There are 7 USANA probiotic sachets in Jumpstart. And the reason is that your gut is at the core of good health. And imbalances in the gut can disrupt a healthy digestive system. So the USANA probiotic provides daily support for digestive comfort, regularity, healthy digestion, and nutrient absorption. Probiotic contains a 50-50 mixture of two widely studied probiotic bacterial strains called Lactobacillus rhamnosus LGG and Bifidobacterium animalis subspecies lactis BB12. These strains help create an ideal environment to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Now, there is a full bottle of Metabolism Plus in the Jumpstart Kit. And as you know, a healthy metabolism can help you reach and maintain your ideal weight. And Metabolism Plus is designed specifically to support a healthy metabolism. And it contains 4 key ingredients. Those are Platycodon grandiflorus root extract, green tea extract that is 70% epigallocatechin gallate, which we'll talk more about in a moment. Naringin, which is derived from grapefruit peel extract, and hesperidin, which is derived from bitter orange peel extract. And together, these 4 ingredients work to help maintain a lean body composition, assist your body's process for converting fat into energy, and help you feel more energized. Now, Metabolism Plus is a very important differentiator for the Jumpstart program. And some people on this call may not be as familiar with this product. So I'm going to dive just a little deeper into each ingredient. So Platycodon grandiflorus is a perennial plant that's native to East Asia. Sometimes it's called balloon flower or Chinese bellflower. And you can see a picture of it here. You might even have it growing in your own flower garden. Platycodon grandiflorus is a widely used traditional Chinese herb, and the extract from its roots has many benefits, one of which is to help maintain a healthy weight by assisting the body's process for converting fat into energy. Green tea extract is packed with plant polyphenols and cell-supporting antioxidants. The polyphenol that we harness in Metabolism Plus is the epigallocatechin gallate that I referred to in the last slides, or we abbreviate it EGCG. Now, EGCG is a polyphenol that helps support both a healthy metabolism and optimal energy levels throughout the day. Naringin and hesperidin are the 2 ingredients that make up the citrus bioflavonoid complex, and they work together to support the breakdown of fat tissue into free fatty acids that your body can then use for energy. They support healthy blood glucose levels in the normal range, and they support healthy cholesterol levels already in the normal range. Now, inside the box is a printed Jumpstart program guide that contains a really nice streamlined visual of the information on how to follow the program. So the daily routine consists of breakfast, mid-morning snack, lunch, an afternoon snack, and dinner, and then directs when a participant is to take their supplements. And there's a handy guide for ideas for low-calorie snack options. And under the extras, there are tips for exercise and sleep and hydration. And we know that there's more to healthy nutrition than just what we eat and drink. There are several lifestyle factors that are important for nutrition. And so those we focus on in this program as well. Now, having done this program a couple of years ago when it launched, I have a top tip for success, and that is to plan ahead and prepare for cravings. So the guide has several good snack options, and I found it very useful to keep a variety of healthy, lower calorie snacks on hand so I could satisfy whatever craving hit me. So for example, if I crave something savory and crunchy, I had some spicy hummus dip and with some raw veggies. If I craved something salty, I had some nuts on hand or air popped popcorn with sea salt that I could turn to. The point was to be prepared when a craving hits so that I wasn't tempted to eat a less healthy option. Also inside the box is the printed QR code insert that takes you to the digital resources for the program. So these 7 days are a time to reflect and prepare for what comes next. And that's why we created these companion resources for the Jumpstart program. So the first is USANA's Guide to a Happy and Healthy Lifestyle. Because as I said, there's more to good nutrition than our food and beverage choices. Lifestyle factors such as sleep and stress can negatively impact good nutrition habits, even the best of our nutrition habits. And understanding the factors that impact healthy nutrition can help you reflect on your current lifestyle habits and decide what new healthier habits you want to adopt. Inside this guide are quizzes to help you assess your sleep quality, your stress management, your eating style, and more. And with each quiz are tips for improvement. There's simple information on nutrition and a really great visual guide for how to set your plate. There's also a section focused on improving gut health that includes a 7-day gut health focused meal plan designed by Dr. Megan Rossi, who is a gut health doctor based in London. The Healthy Habits Journal is a tool you can use to set and reflect on your lifestyle goals. It can help you track all aspects of wellness, including nutrition, of course, but energy levels, sleep, mood, exercise, and even social connection, which we know is so important to a healthy lifestyle. You don't need to track everything. That's the one thing that I would say about this journal is that there's a lot of information on the daily tracker page, but you don't need to track everything. And you don't need to change everything all at once either. Small incremental improvements are the key to successful and lasting change. So I recommend that you pick an area where you want to make improvements. Set an achievable goal or two and track your progress. Once you've mastered those small changes, move on to another one. The Mix It Up pamphlet is a great visual for inspiration to make your perfect Nutri-Mill shake. I have a Nutri-Mill shake most days for breakfast. And I don't know about you, but I get bored and I like a lot of variety. So if you happen to have visited the Active Nutrition Cafe at Global Convention last August, you had a chance to try some of my favorite recipes, like Try Not to Smile. I struggle to get enough veggies in my daily diet, and I find that adding leafy greens to my Nutri-Mill shake is a simple and effective hack. And sometimes I even sneak in some frozen cauliflower. I keep this pamphlet on my refrigerator for when I need some inspiration. And then lastly, there's a companion digital program guide for the printed daily routine guide. This contains all the other information on the program, such as what's inside the box and what to expect in this program.